cool. I've always grown up watching my father engage in a lot of Samoan stuff where he's standing there with his toto in the foyer, and it kind of reminded me of battle rap, going at it using words against the other orator, and he'd have his village or family behind him, and I was like, hey, that's kind of like the battle scene, you know, growing up as a big hip-hop fan. And this project provided the best opportunity to kind of bring those two words together.
Yeah, I'm like the crossroad, the one that watches both sides and makes sure no one scratches each other's face. What I loved about it is the opportunity for our young ones to be actually interested in our own language because it belongs to them. Without that communication, everything breaks down. Family breaks down. We don't even connect to each other anymore.
It's very rare that you see a show done with projection and rap and Samoan oratory going up against each other. And I just hope they walk away feeling like they're more closer to the oratory side or more closer to the hip-hop side. Whether it be they came in one-minded thinking about hip-hop, yeah, and then after hearing the Samoan oratory is thinking, oh, okay, there's some similarity in there.
But in Samoan, we carry that pride as high as the birds fly. We float 2,000 miles from you. But we remember where our home lies.
For the Lumana'I, it's just something this generation's making between two generations, the previous one and this current one, to kind of influence the future to come.
Gotta keep it fresh, always.
Keep it fresh.